Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Today I'm taking a look at iOS 12 Beta 8. I did make a video on Beta 7 because it came out on Monday and was quickly pulled down soon after that, about an hour later, because there was a widespread app hanging issue causing apps to hang when you open them up, and basically all your apps would just completely freeze. So that is why we're seeing Beta 8 on a Wednesday. There really is nothing new in Beta 8 that wasn't already announced in Beta 7, so if you've seen a Beta 7 video, the changes are going to be basically the same. Beta 8 just fixes the app issue with your apps hanging. And really there aren't too many more improvements from Beta 6 to Beta 7 to Beta 8 at all anyway. No new wallpapers, nothing like that. There are a few new splash screens like on messages telling you, hey, your messages will be grouped together even if you use different message accounts or an Apple ID and a phone number and stuff like that. So that is new. There's a couple improvement, performance enhancements and stuff like that, but there really are no new UI changes. We still have the same wallpapers and everything like that. It does feel a bit faster. Everything is super smooth. Beta 6 kind of slowed down a tiny bit, but Beta 8 is definitely back up on the top there with speed. So as you can see here, we are running version 16A5357B, so still a beta. Not a GM or anything like that. We probably won't see those until maybe the end of August, beginning of September. Everything else though running pretty well. Battery life seems to be pretty good. I installed this beta while the phone was unplugged, and we still have 100%. So it was definitely a quick install, just a patch, like I said, to Beta 7. So if you did install Beta 7, Beta 8 will fix all those issues that you had with your apps hanging and any other software issues you may have had. Like I said, no new wallpapers, everything's basically the same, so this is just going to be a quick video. If you have Beta 6, you can go ahead and update to Beta 8. It is working fine. And if you have Beta 7, I would definitely recommend you go ahead and update to Beta 8 to fix the issues that Beta 7 caused. This has been Colin with Techout. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop them down in the comments section below. And as always, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and have a great day.